is our handheld spectrum analyzer, small size. 2 oscilloscope channels and 1 full spectrum analyzer. Now we input 1 giga single into it.
Set 了 center flicker.
Center frequency at center. 1 giga.
Center span.
Center span 2多少？
随便 10
Mac.
10 max. And you can set the
mark. Send a mark
max
to
peak.
trace.
Max peak.
Max peak. Okay.
Yes, mark.
Now you can see here the frequency is 1 giga, which capture
这是幅度，
幅值的，
幅度是负的7点。
这个是幅值。Amplified. Okay. Let's see some menu for spectrum analyzer. By select here is for frequency, 2 pages. It's for the span settings. It's for bandwidth setting. And for the peak settings, 3 pages. These two are the shortkeys. This is for frequency and is for amplitude. Here is a USB port to connect to PC. And actually, it's a 3 function in one instrument because it has other 2 functions, such as you can switch here to oscilloscope, and then to multimeter. Okay, in systems, some settings for bright night, backlight, and you can select your language, English, Spanish. Okay, thanks.